simple and incredibly easy to install, the WEWE A1001L has been one of consumers' favorite choices for DIY projects. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet series. How you doing, folks? Welcome to another video from our ShouldIT DIY series. In this video, we're installing the WEWE A1001L single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet. Let's see how that goes. The faucet comes with very simple mounting components. Use the deck plate to cover the extra holes in 3-hole installation. Here, we install without using the plates. Put the main water hose and the 2 water supply lines through the hole. From under the deck, put the hose and supply line through the rubber gasket and the steel gasket. Then use the black nut and tighten by hand until snug tight to secure the faucet. And clip the weight onto the hose at the recommended marker. And connect the water supply lines and tighten with a wrench. Run water to check for leaks, and you're done. And that's how we install the WEWE A1001L Kitchen Faucet. Hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and donate if you like to send us thanks. Share your thoughts with us in the comments and check the descriptions for more information. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and have a great day.